SMU's Masters of Science in Management gave me the skills, experience, and network to tackle real challenges and succeed in a global business environment.
I moved from China to Singapore and chose SMU for its strong reputation. As a globally recognized program, the MIM's mix of finance, strategy, and marketing modules let me explore new paths and discover where I can make the most impact.
I used to run my own company in Japan, but they don't have any formal business education or training. SMU's foundation-first approach gave me the solid base I needed to level up.
The highly interactive and hands-on curriculum gave me a fast-paced practical experience that was instrumental in preparing me for my career.
At SMU, students actively engage, debate, and co-create knowledge in the classroom. Beyond that, they take part in real-world projects and industry partnerships that expose them to new ideas, expand their networks, and open up exciting possibilities.
As part of the program highlights, I chose to participate in SMUX, a project-based learning experience that focuses on solving business challenges overseas. We visited Jakarta's top companies and pitched solutions for a major healthcare firm. The trip gave me real-world insight into how culture shapes business decisions.
Across modules, we tackle real business challenges from strategy to social innovation. Even as students, we made an impact while building skills that employers value.
Learning about sustainability, AI, and entrepreneurship equipped me with the skills to take on tomorrow's challenges and help me secure an AI-focused internship.
SMU internship program and the support from the external coaches were helpful in my job search after graduation.
SMU's real-world projects and close mentorship sharpened my skills and gave me the edge. After a challenging interview process, I was grateful to be the one selected from 40 candidates for a full-time role. I now manage renewable project finance across 5 APAC markets and will be relocating to Japan.
Our program brings together a diverse student body and experienced faculty, while offering global exchange opportunities with leading business schools such as London Business School, IE Business School, ESMT Berlin, and many more. There are also many immersive study trips across Asia. This allows students to experience Asian business firsthand while staying open to a global perspective.
MIM didn't just teach me business, it reshaped how I think, communicate, and make decisions in uncertainty. It is designed to equip you with the perspective to lead and adapt. Begin the next chapter of your career with SMU's Master of Science in Management.